Okay, I am so sorry about the last video, guys. It just cut out. I'm still in the same spot. It just cut out for me, so we're going to start the milk. This is a reduced fat milk. I don't know why it's not staying, but we are going to take it off of this. So let's get started to pour it. Sorry, you guys can't see for a minute. There you go. So we're going to take this one milk right here, the black milk side, the light and go off. We're going to pour. Perfect. Okay, I am sorry you guys could not see. And let's try this again.
Maddie, what do you make, a fry sauce? You got about a gallon of it on your plate. You know, fry sauce got pickles in it too.
I don't make with pickles.
Pugsley does. Brandon, what's wrong, baby? What's wrong, baby, Brandon? You want to come with Daddy? I'll take you. I'll take you. Maybe it'd be good for you to get at the house. Alright. You come with Daddy? Alright. Okay. I'll take you. I'll take you with me. You can go. You can go. You need some after house time, I can tell. I can tell when a baby needs to be at the house. I'm an expert at raising children. Expert. Like Brady says. Did you just change your butt?
No.
Oh, okay. Must be residual, or she's kind of got a wet booty, but. You want anything while I'm out, love? Okay, if I take your car? Taking the thing? Yeah, I'm gonna take the thing. She needs some time out. She needs some time out of the house for her dad.
It's too crunchy right now. It's like I cooked it over. I should have done this a minute. This is like perfect one. So we're only going to use 2. Oh my gosh! Last bite. Put away my stuff. Ketchup. Mayonnaise. Now that we all have energy,